A Lebanese Fintech, Whish has won a major Canadian license. This is a big step for the company. It marks the start of a carefully planned global push into new, highly regulated markets. Stylized map. This Canadian license is not just a piece of paper. It's a significant milestone. It's the company's first major regulatory approval in North America. It shows the firm met high standards to operate in one of the world's most stable economies. The implications are vast. Whish has secured its Canadian regulatory license. It's the result of a long, detailed process. The company proved adherence to strict financial rules and consumer protection laws. Canadian permission lets Whish legally offer digital financial services to millions of potential customers. It's a critical gateway, turning a regional Middle Eastern player into a recognized international fintech with a foothold in the West. Originating in Lebanon, a country with complex economic challenges, this breakthrough is especially noteworthy. It proves innovation and operational excellence can thrive in difficult environments. This is the firm's first major regulatory achievement in the G7, enabling it to move forward with confidence. It builds a foundation for a trusted brand and expansion across Canada, with an eye toward the larger United States market. So, who exactly is Whish? The company is a dynamic fintech firm born in Lebanon. It has built its reputation by creating a suite of accessible digital money services for individuals and businesses. The company's core mission is to simplify financial transactions for everyone, making them faster, cheaper, and more secure. In its home market, Whish quickly became a vital tool for many people. It provided a reliable alternative to traditional banking systems, especially when access to financial services was becoming more complicated for the average person. The company's product offerings center on convenience and digital access. A key service is its digital wallet, which allows users to store money, make payments, and transfer funds directly from their smartphones. Let's talk more about the specific Canadian license that Whish has obtained. This is not a full banking license, which is a much more complex and demanding authorization. Instead, the company was granted a money services business license. Show graphic money services. Business license with Maple Leaf. This type of license is issued by the Financial Transactions and Reports Analysis Centre of Canada, also known as FinTrack. A money services business license is specifically designed for companies involved in foreign exchange dealing, remitting or transmitting funds, issuing or redeeming money orders. It is the standard regulatory approval for fintech firms focused on payments. This license allows Whish to legally perform several key functions within the Canadian financial system. Primarily, it gives the company the authority to conduct electronic funds transfers and to deal in foreign currencies. It can also offer services like digital wallets where customers can hold Canadian dollars, pay online, or make peer-to-peer transfers. This license is the legal key that unlocks the company's ability to operate its core business model in Canada. The license places Whish under the direct oversight of Canadian regulators. This is a crucial aspect of the arrangement. As a licensed money services business, the company must follow a strict set of rules. These rules protect consumers and prevent illicit activities. For example, Whish must implement robust anti-money laundering programs and counter-terrorist financing programs. It has to report suspicious transactions to FinTrack and keep detailed records of its activities. This ensures transparent, responsible operations that safeguard the Canadian financial system. In practical terms, the license enables deeper integration with Canada's financial infrastructure. Licensed entities find it easier to partner with established banks and other financial institutions. These partnerships are necessary for processing payments, clearing funds, and offering a seamless user experience. Why this license is a game changer? First and foremost, a government-issued license is a powerful symbol of trust and credibility. For customers, knowing a company is regulated by Canadian authorities provides immense peace of mind. It tells them their money is handled by a legitimate entity, held to high standards. This trust is the bedrock of any financial service. Second, this license provides Whish with crucial market access. Canada is a wealthy nation, technologically advanced, and has a large, diverse immigrant population. Many Canadians send money home regularly. With a license, Whish can target diaspora communities, like the Lebanese Canadian community, offering culturally familiar, cost-effective alternatives that build a strong initial base. Third, it signals the globalization of fintech. Great ideas and robust tech can emerge from Beirut and meet G7 standards. Ripples across the pond. What this means for North American fintech. The entire industry is in dynamic evolution. Regulators are balancing fostering innovation and ensuring consumer protection. They want new entrants to offer better services, prevent fraud, and maintain financial stability. Canada is clarifying pathways for payments-focused fintechs. This makes the market more accessible for foreign companies like Whish Money. Remittances and cross-border payments are rising in importance. For years, a few incumbents charged high fees and moved money slowly. Now, lean mobile-first challengers offer faster, cheaper services. Consumers benefit, especially immigrant communities. Competition is driving prices lower and quality higher across the industry. To make this trend more concrete, consider a simple example. A person named Elias lives and works in Toronto. His parents live in Lebanon. Every month, Elias sends them a few $100s to help with their living expenses. Traditionally, he might have used a bank wire or a physical transfer agent with high fees, unfavorable rates, and days of delay. With a licensed fintech like Whish Money, Elias can send money directly from his phone, fast. The fees are lower, the rate is clearer, and the funds can arrive almost instantly. This makes a real difference in people's lives. The trust, reinforced by the Canadian license and FinTrack oversight, is critical. In close-knit diaspora communities, word of mouth can beat big ad budgets. The road ahead, challenges, opportunities, and a new beginning. Whish Money's Canadian license is a monumental milestone, but it is also just the beginning of a long journey. The path forward holds opportunities and formidable challenges. Operating in a highly regulated market requires discipline, strict adherence to Canadian rules, rigorous anti-money laundering protocols, and robust data privacy controls. Scaling fast while keeping controls effective is a balancing act. Penalties for non-compliance are severe, competition is fierce. To stand out, the company needs a clear value proposition, more competitive pricing, superior user experience, faster speeds, and specialized focus on Middle Eastern communities. Building strategic partnerships with Canadian banks, credit unions, and local organizations will be pivotal. Demand for lower-cost, mobile-first services keeps growing, especially for international transactions. With a modern tech stack, Whish Money can meet this demand. Starting with Diaspora is a proven path to sustainable growth. Canada provides a reputable base for U.S. planning. The U.S. remains the ultimate prize for many global fintechs. This story illustrates a global shift in finance, talent, innovation, ambition. A license is not the final destination, it is the official start of the race. It proves a company is ready to compete. For Whish Money, the Canadian license opens the door to growth, validates its business model, and provides the regulatory footing to build a global brand. The global expansion truly begins now, and the world of fintech will be